Try this English quiz with 40 questions. Do you think you can pass it? Let's begin. Pick the correct option. Answer C. Perceive. Which spelling is correct? Answer B. Panicked. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer D. Desolately. Find the best synonym of vacant. Answer B. Unoccupied. Which word is a synonym of rare? Answer A. Scarce. Pick the opposite of simplify. Answer B. Complicate. What is the opposite of astute? Answer D. Foolish. Choose the plural of fireman. Answer C. Fireman. What is the plural form of geometry? Answer D. Geometries. What word best completes the sentence? Answer B. She got her shoes repaired at the cobbler's. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer A. He is as tall as his brother. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer C. We'd rather postpone the decision until tomorrow. What does sleep on it mean? Answer A. Think later. What does do a runner mean? Answer C. Escape. Pick the antonym of authentic. Answer B. Fake. What is the opposite of intensify? Answer D. Reduce. What is the opposite of abate? Answer C. Intensify. Choose the correct past form of underbid. Answer A. Underbid. What is the past form of unsay? Answer C. Unsaid. Which is a synonym of humorous? Answer B. Comical. Pick a synonym of pleasant. Answer D. Agreeable. Choose a synonym of reticent. Answer C. Reserved. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Visualize. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer C. Psychology. Pick the correct option. Answer B. Accidental. Which option is correct? Answer A. Brilliantly. What is the plural of bacillus? Answer B. Bacilli. What is the plural of celebrity? Answer C. Celebrities. What is the plural of person? Answer A. People. What is the plural of ceremony? Answer D. Ceremonies. Fill the gap. Answer B. The dog ran so fast that it caught the ball in midair. Can you guess the missing word? Answer A. She avoided discussing controversial topics. What word best completes the sentence? Answer C. The book was so interesting that I read it in one sitting. What does chalk something up mean? Answer A. Record success. What does a long shot mean? Answer C. Unlikely. What does as cool as a cucumber mean? Answer B. Very calm. So close now. Just 4 questions remaining. Choose past form of overdue. Answer A. Overdid. What is the past form of cling? Answer D. Clung. Choose past form of mean. Answer B. Meant. What is the past form of seek? Answer A. Sought. Congratulations! Share your score in the comments and subscribe for more quizzes.